and secretaries who might be around here with us, we recognize you. Our Principal Secretary, Minister of Labor, Social Protection, State Department for Labor, Honorable Shadrach Mwangola Mwadime, the Principal Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection, State Department for Social Protection and Senior Citizen Affairs, Honorable Joseph Mogosi Motari. Other Principal Secretaries present, my twin sister, Executive Director of Federation of Kenya Employers, Sister Chaglin Mugo, the Honorable Member of Parliament for this area, the young man Felix Jalango, is very much known as Jalas. Honorable Pasaris, our women rep in this city, ambassadors and high commissioners, managing trustee of our National Social Security Fund, Brother David Koros, the Chief Executive Officer, National Hospital Insurance Fund, Brother Elijah Washira, and the Acting Director General, National Industrial Training Authority, Sister Teresa Wasike, my colleague of our sister union, Trade Union Congress, Charles Mkhwaya, and other public service unions which are around, including the universities. I was impressed to see your floats and other dignitaries that are present, brothers and sisters. I want to be very much brief because our guest of honor is a person of several engagements in a day, and we cannot afford to keep him here for a longer time. Na nataka munisikize kidogo, sijui kama nasikia hii, nasema nasitaka asikie. Kabla sijamuomba, nataka kwanza ni recognize yale mazuri ametufanyia, ndio roho yake irudi chini sana, aelewe sisi kama wafanyikazi tuko wapi. First and foremost, Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for honoring our invitation to be our chief guest today on this our 59th Labor Day celebrations under the theme of the work you are doing, that Kenyan workers stand for advanced information technology training to drive our digital economy. Your Excellency, that's where the world is going. The world is going digital, and that is why our Executive Board decided that theme. Let me also thank you, Your Excellency, for assembling, that was a day before yesterday, assembling over 21 heads of government, including 14 presidents, during the International Development Association Summit in Nairobi. Your Excellency, I want to remind you, since I've been around for some time, that the only president who used to assemble a such magnitude number of heads of state, particularly from Africa and abroad, was the founding father of this nation, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta. And he went further to invite the different heads of the international institutions, including World Bank. As workers, we don't take it for granted. We want to echo your efforts because you are selling this country. You are coming out in a clear way to indicate to the whole world that we are able, we can host, and we can also engage those who are coming here, and also plant a sense of direction into the leadership of this continent. Once again, Your Excellency, I want to echo your continued support to workers Invite. Since you took over as our head of state, one, you gave all of us a hearing. That was the trade union delegation, which was at State House with you on 14th of February last year. followed by presiding over our last year's Labor Day. We want to thank you, Your Excellency. We can't take it for granted. And after that, honoring the invite of the International Labour Organization Director General, Gilbert Humbo, for taking your own time to go to Switzerland, Geneva, to address more than 5,000 tripartite delegates in that conference. That shows how much you respect and you honor working men and women across the globe.